I was like, I'm just gonna do some contour off camera because I want to do something simple, so no point in recording. Yeah. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Nice to see you here. Today we're gonna do a type of get ready with me video because I need to get ready and I'm gonna see some awesome shows tonight. And I'm excited about them. I'm gonna see She Passed Away for the second time this year. Cellophane, it's gonna be the second time that I'm gonna see them, even if the first time I only got to see half of the concert because I was too late. Let's try to avoid it this time. And I'm gonna see Lebanon and Hanover, which is gonna be the first time that I'm gonna see them, and I'm excited. So I already put on my foundation and I did contour, I guess. Sometimes I just don't know what I'm doing and I just do it anyway, and it's weird, but hopefully this will turn out okay at the end of the video. So I started doing my makeup already off camera because if you've ever seen any video on this channel, you know that I arrive late to every single event that I go to. And we're probably already late like usual because I'm freaking late again. About 1 hour or 2 hours late because I just take so long to get ready, and it's mostly because of makeup, because I don't even put that much effort into clothes or anything. I like to be comfy most of my time. Weird but comfy, that's a lifestyle right there. For the foundation, if you're curious, I use the Jouer foundation, the full coverage one, Essential something something. I'm gonna put it on the description. Someone's calling me. And for contour and everything, I'm using mostly eyeshadows of the Saint Incinerator palette. I haven't used this palette almost at all, and I've had it for a year now, and it seems like I use it all the time because I think I only use it when I'm doing videos. It's just a hard palette to work with on your everyday basis because it has such weird colors that you really need to think about what you're gonna do, and I'm not a person that thinks a lot about their looks. I just do them, and I think you can kind of tell, and sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. I'm gonna put on this base. I also am not sure about this hair. Is this too much hair? I feel like this is too much hair. Is there such a thing as too much hair? I don't know. Let's find out next on my strange addictions. So I'm gonna use Stigmata, I guess. I have no clue what I'm doing. So this has been a great year of concerts for me. Tomorrow, Peter Murphy's gonna be here in Lisbon for his 40 years of Bauhaus celebration, and I was thinking about going, but I already seen that show this year in Belgium. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna miss it just because the ticket is a little bit expensive. And I spent so much money on shows this year. It's, I mean, I don't regret any of the shows that I spent money on because I love going to live shows. It's just one of life's greatest pleasures. If you like a band and if you like music, just going to see them live is such a good experience. It's the best experience. And I love music with such a passion that I will save and spend a lot of money just to see live shows. And this year has been a full year. We've traveled to Belgium to go see a lot of bands that I wanted to see on the Blue Fest. Got to see a lot of cool shows here in Lisbon as well, and in Portugal in general. We are lucky enough that we don't have like this huge alternative community, but we have a lot of alternative shows and festivals, which is curious. I guess we do have a big alternative community. It's just not as visual as, let's say, the German Gothic community, which, you know, you think of Germany right away when you think of Goths, because they have all those Gothic festivals, but also because I think the Goth community there is a lot about, like, not only music, but style as well, and fashion, which is cool. And I guess we have a decent medium community, I guess, but it's all about the music, which in a way I feel very lucky to have it because, again, live shows is something that I love going to, and so having that in my own country and being able to go to a bunch of shows of big bands and more indie gothic very small bands, and still they come here and play here. Let's do some eyeliner because I truly have no clue of what I'm doing. So in case of doubt, just do a huge ass eyeliner. Alright, I did like tiny fake lashes and everything. I feel like my eyes look super small now, so let's see what I can do. Like maybe do like a fake lid kind of thing. I'm gonna use like this tiny little brush, and with some brown and some black, just gonna see if I can just draw a little. Looks like I have a bigger eye now. There you go, creepy Barbie eyes. Boop, boop, boop. Let's blend a little bit. I'm using like this Makeup Revolution high shadow palette. I don't even know what's the name of this. Welcome to Pleasuredome, I guess. I have this for such a long time. This is a really old palette, but I still use it, especially for like crease colors and stuff. They have some cool brands, and also because it has a mirror, so I'm just using it as a mirror always. So anyway, going back to the concerts and bands conversation, did you see any band this year that you really liked? What was your favorite show that you watched this year? Or you don't really go to live shows that much? Or what would be the favorite band for you to watch live? I think my favorite band to watch live ever was Dead Can Dance, and they're touring next year, so if they're touring near you, don't grab the chance and go see them. I really want to see them again. The ticket is really expensive though, but I think it's totally worth it. It's the live show of a lifetime. It's just a privilege to see them live, that it's so amazing. So they keep calling me. Okay, so the eyes are cute. I just really not digging this, whatever this is contour that I did here, so I'm probably gonna wipe that off later. Alright, so a bit of change of plans. I had to try out some stuff off camera because I'm running out of time as always, and so I'm trying to stressed, and alright, let's do this. Let's do this. Still need to dress because I'm wearing like a stinky t-shirt that I wear to sleep. So as you can see, a lot of changes here. So I wasn't sure what the heck to do with this eye, so I just put some glitter on it, and now I have a glittery eye, and I'm trying out this nude lip because I don't know, I'm always wearing black lipstick and I love black, and it's tough to pick another color because I think black just suits everything, and you know, to me, wearing a nude color with this look, it's kind of like, what? Like, what is this? But that's why probably I'm gonna wear it, because it's just different, and I like trying different stuff. And look at me. I think I'm so different because I'm wearing a nude lip. Whoa. I'm just gonna do the same thing on this eye so you can see what I did. So I'm gonna use the glitter primer by NYX. Primer is on. Then I mixed two glitters by NYX. One is like pink and the other one is holographic, and I mixed them up together. Right, so now I need to define this lid a little bit because this one is a lot darker. Some black eyeshadow. Okay, and one last step, I put some thick glitter here on the corner of my eye, so I'm gonna put it on the other side as well, so a little bit more of glitter glue. Alright, so I just need to do some eyebrows and I'm almost done. And then I'm just gonna figure out if I want to keep this lipstick or not. I don't know, I just feel like I'm so pink. Alright, eyebrows.
Hi.
Hi, I'm recording. I'm gonna put that on video.
Oh, yes.
Meow, meow, meow. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. I am done. You can see a little bit of my super messy. Oh shit, I forgot to drink my coffee. Anyway. Look how messy my desk is. I kind of tamed this hair a little bit, so it's still puffy, but it's not like all over the place. I bet people in the show would be really pissed off at me if I was blocking everyone's view, so at least now it's a little bit more tamed. So yeah, I added some eyeliner and some false lashes, and that's it. So I think I'm happy with it. It's pretty pastel, but still dramatic. I gotta go because guess what? Yes, I am late. So see you guys next time, and thank you so much for joining me. Bye guys. See you.